In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spy on your competitor's Shopify store. Whether you're looking to get ahead in your market or simply want insights into the strategies of leading stores in your niche, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Shopify Spy and Dropship Tool. You'll see different options available. Make sure you choose an extension that is actively maintained and has high ratings, since those usually perform better and are more reliable. Once you've found the extension you want, click on Add to Chrome and follow the prompts. The extension may request certain permissions in order to work properly. Always review these permissions carefully and only proceed if you're comfortable with them. Once the extension is installed, you can start gathering information from Shopify stores. When you visit a store, the tool may show you the number of products they have listed, pricing details, inventory insights, and sometimes even traffic data, depending on the extension you've chosen. Keep in mind that free plans often have limitations. If you need advanced features, most of these extensions also offer premium versions. Think about whether the extra insights are worth the cost for your business. And that's it. A quick and easy way to spy on your competitor's Shopify store. If you don't already have a Shopify account, click the link in the description to register. With my affiliate link, you'll get 3 months of Shopify for just $1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.